This is Bite-Sized Turkey Zucchini Skillet. This is one of those meals that just gets bariatric life. It's high in protein, low in carbs, and made with one pan. It's so easy to cook, easy to portion, and most importantly, easy on your stomach. Let's get cooking. In a large pan over medium heat, start with olive oil. Next, I'm adding some onion, sauteing for about 3 to 4 minutes until soft, and then stirring in garlic. Cook that for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, add the ground turkey and cook for another 6 to 8 minutes, breaking apart as it browns, hitting it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Next, I'm stirring in zucchini, oregano, and red pepper flakes. Cook until the zucchini is tender but not mushy. That's kind of key here. Pour in vegetable broth and reduce heat to low. Cover and let that simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just to let all those flavors come together. Sprinkle that with Parmesan cheese before serving. Enjoy this warm. Oh, and it's even better the next day for lunch. That's why this is a good meal prep. Oh, and also goes great in a berry bowl. Shameless plug. Love it.